Hello there. Today I'm going to show you the best simple apps for making insane and eye-catching text animations like these. And if you're new here and want to learn different types of smartphone tips, hacks, and other smartphone related stuff, be sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications so you won't miss anything. Now, let's do it. One is Pixelflow. So this app is quite simple to use and it's beginner friendly, meaning that you don't need any editing skills to make awesome text animations from this application. And it comes with 30 plus text animations to choose from. And to make a text animation, all you have to do is select the design, then tap on edit, and just go ahead and type in the text that you want. You can adjust the color, the font, and either choose to make the text visible or not. You can also change the element colors of your text animation. You can adjust the size and the position. You can also choose to change the background. You can select maybe a dynamic animated background which are already found in the app, like this one and other dynamic animated backgrounds, or you can choose to add a background video from your internal storage or the app's download library. Maybe you don't want a video, you can choose an image from your internal storage or an image from the app's library. And the amazing part is that this app has more than 1000 plus background images and videos, and they're actually grouped into categories, which makes it easy for you to choose what kind of video you want or what kind of image you want. And maybe you don't want to use a dynamic background, a video background, or an image background. You can just set a solid color, especially if you want to use the text animation as a video layer on either your YouTube videos or your social media posts. And you can either choose to export your text animation in either HD, full HD, or just normal quality. So moving to app number 2, this app is very simple but quite amazing. It has more than 40 text animations grouped in 6 groups according to their design. And one of those groups has the support of logo animations. So if you want to edit, just select the animation that you like. After doing so, tap again on the animation to start editing. Like that. And also you can delete some elements on the template. If you don't like the previous elements that you found on the template, just tap right here to remove the elements that you don't want. And the thing I like about this app is that it gives you the ability to add your own titles, your own images, shapes, transitions, logos, and backgrounds. It doesn't limit your creativity that much. And last on our list is HypeText. So this may seem as a simple application, but it's very powerful. It has over 175 text animations which are grouped into 11 categories according to their style. And as you can see here on top, it has an intro tab. If you select on that intro tab, it will bring you over 90 intro templates for you to choose from. And as a bonus, this application has an Instagram tab. If you go ahead and tap on the Instagram tab, it will bring you 45 plus designs and awesome text animations which you can use to make awesome Instagram stories or awesome Instagram videos. So this application can be used anywhere. It depends with your level of creativity. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for your time. Let's meet again in the next one.